Hello everyone, my name is Orit. Welcome to my page. On my page I share lifestyles and food recipes. Today I'm making chicken fried rice. These are my ingredients: diced onions, scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, this is olive oil, this is rice, and this is my diced chicken breasts. This is the frozen vegetables I'm going to use. These are the condiments: Maggi, pepper, curry. I warmed some olive oil in the pan, then fried my chicken breasts. I brought it out after frying it, fry it to be brown. Then I fried my onion, and I fried the frozen vegetables. Fried it very well. Added some Maggi to it. The curry. Then I added my curry, black pepper, then added some ketchup. This is a game changer. Fried everything together. Thereafter, added my fried chicken breast and the scotch bonnet pepper. Fry everything together. Remember, I'm making chicken fried rice, so we're frying everything. Continue to stir to make sure it's not burnt. And cover it for a while. Thereafter, add some water to use to cook the rice. This is my rice. Poured my rice into the boiling water to allow it to come to a boil. Allow it to boil for 10 minutes, and this is what I got. This is my chicken fried rice, guys. Very yummy. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.